Hey you guys! Hey you guys, what's up? It's me, Shania, and welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, this is a channel that specializes in DIY tutorials, some that I make from scratch, and some things that I take and I cut and I chop them up and I make cool things with them. Now in today's video we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm actually collaborating with Dresslily and I'm super excited about this collaboration. They reached out to me and they said that they would send me some products for me to review. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. I'm super excited to show you guys what I got and how I decided to style everything and put everything together. So in the description box I have listed a special coupon code for me. So if you go to their website and you use that coupon code, then you will get a nice discount. Alright, so this super cute snakeskin top I got from Dresslily, and I really love the whole like wraparound effect that it has, and I love that it also has buttons in the front to really allow you to kind of play around with like showing some skin, and I just paired it with some like cream colored boots and some light faded jeans, just in celebration of not really wanting the summer to go by entirely. And this shirt is just amazing. The quality is actually really good, and I really love that the sleeves are like long, and that they're like you can button them. They have like 2 button options, and it's just a pretty dope shirt. So I definitely recommend you check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Another way to style this shirt is by wearing like a A-line skirt. So in this case I wore corduroy, and it's just super cute because it's like flirty. You don't have to wear jeans, that you can wear a skirt, and you can have the option to leave the shirt down and unbuttoned the same way that you had it with the jeans, or you could even tie it up and wear it like a crop style, which I prefer because it draws more attention to your waist and the overall like shape of your body. And again, it looks super cute with the booties as well. So yeah, that's about it. So another way to sexify this shirt is by pairing it with over-the-knee boots. And I think pairing it with like beige colored shoes is a good way to go, because it just makes the shirt pop even more, especially if you pair the shirt with like a darker colored bottom. So whether it's black or maroon or even like an olive green or something, the color of the shirt will definitely pop even more. So yeah. So another idea for styling this snakeskin skirt is with leggings, and here I'm actually pairing it with leggings that I also got from Dresslily. And these leggings, to be honest, were a little bit too big for me, so I definitely should have paid more attention to the sizing chart. But they're still super cute, and I really like the lace detail and the cutout knee detail as well. And I also like the fact that they are high waist and that they're long. So yeah, so this is definitely another style idea. Like if you decide to get this shirt, you could always just pair it with some simple black leggings if you don't have leggings like these, or you could check out Dresslily and get these same exact leggings if you like this style pairing. Another way that you can style these leggings is with a like super flowy loose fit top like this one, which I also got from Dresslily. What I really liked about this top was the ruffles and just how loose it is, and it has this really like baby doll style. And I like the contrast between the tightness and sexiness of the leggings, contrast against like the loose and playfulness of the shirt. So this is definitely another style idea. So an additional style idea for this top and bottom is to complement, or I guess contrast, the black on black with some colored booties. And since we're basically transitioning into the fall season, I think a maroon color like the shoes that I'm wearing here, or even like an olive green color, or if you're feeling bold, like a mustard yellow or something like that, but just any pop of color. Another way that you can style this super cute blouse from Dresslily is by pairing it with loose shorts and then some over the knee boots. And I really love this outfit combination because of how like playful but sexy it is. I think the over the knee boots, as well as the fact that I'm wearing shorts, makes it sexy, but then because the top is so loose and so like there's ruffles and everything, it kind of tones it down enough. So yeah, and you don't have to pair it with beige over the knee boots. You could always do like black over the knee boots, or even like olive green or something like that. All right, so let's add a pop of color back into the mix. This skort I got from Dresslily. I love it. Plaid is definitely trending this season, and I just love the idea of having shorts that look like a skirt. And if you're not ready to give up the summer yet, you can definitely pair these plaid or this plaid skort with a pop of color such as orange, which is a great fall color that still kind of holds on to the summer. One way that you could top this outfit off is by pairing it with a denim jacket, because you know it gets a little chilly, you know, so a denim jacket is a perfect way to top it off. Now, I am not sure what shoes I would wear with this outfit, so if you have any ideas, let me know. What shoes would you wear with this outfit? So this plaid skort can pretty much go any way depending on how you style it. So another way that you could style it is with a classy shirt. So this shirt I also got from Dresslily, and I really love it because it's super silky, it's very loose fitted and comfortable, and I love the newspaper print. I think that that's a classic print, and this newspaper print actually looks pretty good with the plaid print as well. So this is one option if you want to make it a little bit more of a classy type of outfit. So as I mentioned before, fall nights and fall mornings can be a little chilly. So if you want to add an extra touch to this stylish outfit, you could pair it with a blazer. Now, last fall, red was really trending, and I don't know if it's a major trend this fall season, but I think it's a classic fall color. So if you have a red blazer, you could definitely pair it with this plaid skort and this newspaper print cami shirt. Another style idea for this silky cami top is to just pair it with some simple high-waist black skinny jeans, and when you pair it with skinny jeans like so, you can leave the shirt fully out. Or if you want, you could just tuck one side in and leave the other side out, or you could tuck the whole thing inside. But this shirt is just super versatile, and it really just takes on whatever bottom it is paired with. All right, y'all, so the last thing that I got from Dresslily is this super cute dress. I love it. I love the whole wrap style. I love the low cut, you know, got a little bit of boobies hanging out, but you could definitely fix this problem, or circumstance, might not be a problem, but you could definitely cover up by wearing like a camisole top under, or maybe not a camisole top, but like a spandex tube top kind of thing. But anyways, this dress is super cute and it's super versatile. You could pair it with like booties the way that I have here. I'm pairing it with clear booties, or you could pair it with some sandals. But yeah, it's just super cute. And if you want to wear it in cold weather, you could always wear some stockings underneath and then wear maybe like a turtleneck underneath. So if I were to wear this in the fall, I would wear like a cream turtleneck underneath it. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these Dresslily outfit ideas. Leave me a comment and let me know which product was your favorite or which outfit was your favorite. Either one will do. And don't forget that there is a coupon code in the description box for 20% off. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.